Hello everybody, welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, there is a link in the description, or you can just search on Amazon if you would like to purchase this book and work it along with me. Looks like today we're working on number 73. Let's start with this box. Looks like we're missing a 3 and a 9. We've got the 9 there, so 3, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got the 2 there, so 7 and 2. For this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got the 4 there, so 5 and 4. So for this box then, we're missing 3 and 9, and we don't have any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 there, so 7, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5 and 1. So if we look at this box here, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 2, 4, 6 there, and 1 there. So 2, 4. And 1 there, so 2, 4, 6. 1 and 6 here, so 2, 4. So it looks like the only place our 1 can be is here, and the only place our 6 can be is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 4. So it looks like the only place our 3 can be is here. Finish out this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 4 there, so this is our 5, and no help there. So 2 and 4. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7, 1 here. So 3, 7, and that means that our 1 has to be here. For this row then, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 2, 4. No help here. 2, 4, 6. No help here. 2, 4, and 6. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 2, 3, 4. We've got a 3 here, and a 2 here, and a 4 here. So this has to be our 7. With that 3 there, this could still be a 2 or a 4. But that 7 means this is our 3, and this is our 7. So to finish out this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we work on this column here, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 and an 8 here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 2, and this our 8. And that 2 makes this our 4, so this is our 3. Then we can get rid of these 4s over here. So then for this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. Oh, and this 4 makes this our 2, this our 4, 2, 4. And that 2 means this is our 6, this is our 2. So for this column, then we're missing our 1 and 4. We've got, nope, that can't be right. Oh, I think we messed up. We can't have 2 4s in this box, but that is what we are missing. All right, that's it for today's puzzle, guys. Thank you for joining me. Please do like, subscribe, share with someone you think will enjoy the content. That really does help the channel out. And I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.